Okay, so we're going to see something interesting that happens when we try and solve this rational equation here. So if we do our same steps, we're going to leave a bit of space here. X minus 2, leave a space. 2x minus 4, leave a space. 4x minus 12, I see a common factor, but I'm not going to do it yet because we'll see if I have to do something with that first. Denominator here is going to factor into x minus 4 and x minus 2. So what multiplies to give 8, adds to give negative 6, was negative 4, negative 2. Okay, so looking what I need to include here, this, to get a common denominator, needs to have an x minus 4 with it. So I'll put that upstairs. This one needs to have an x minus 2 with it. So I'll put that upstairs, and then everything matches up. So now your common denominators are the same everywhere, they cancel. So that leaves x on x minus 4, 2 onto x minus 2 equals 4x minus 12. So here you have x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 4, and I'll drag both those things over. Minus 4x plus 12 equals 0. Only have one x squared term. Minus 4x and 2 makes minus 2x, and minus 4 makes a minus 6x, and negative 4 and plus 12 makes 8. So looking at what multiplies to give 8 and then adds to give negative 6, that's going to factor into x minus 4 and x minus 2. So that means your two answers are going to be x equals 4 or x equals 2. But before I go anywhere, if I thought at the beginning that I was supposed to look and check what numbers are not allowed, x minus 2 is not allowed to be 0. That means x is not allowed to be 2. And x minus 4 is not allowed to be 0. Therefore, x is not allowed to be 4. And these are my two potential answers, which I'm not allowed to use. So that means for this equation, there is no solution. Not an immensely satisfying answer, and you may be scared that you've done something wrong, but you can't check either of those answers. You end up dividing by 0. So there are times when you factor it out and it all works out perfectly, that you can get no solution as an option. Give the question that I have next for you as a try. I don't believe you run into a no solution, but give it a try and see what happens.